And Manzano and Ladi jumping up at center court.
Okay, let me correct myself earlier, right? Because the 2022 champs led by Coach Gerson and Nueva Ecija, we're gonna look out for, because I'm sure Coach Eric and his squad was able to address that, especially against
Tabi, pasa kay Cañete, does not look at the rim this time. He dives in, Manzano falls down on the floor. Bola nakuha ng Caloocan.
Pagsanhan made that play happen. Nice pass and cut by Manzano, but didn't see Pagsanhan from behind. The turnover led to points.
In semi-transition, rebound, nakuha ng Quezon. Fuentes in transition, lays it in for two.
This time Quezon is the...
Gets it back from Manzano. Hierro on the right side. Sasalaksak si Wawa. Hierro off the window and in, plus the foul. And Quezon doing a good job making Ladi uncomfortable. And they make them pay on the other end. Macaloni, basket and one. Napapanood ngayon ang Quezon na abante ng 8 puntos kontra Caloocan. 13-5. Kalat is in the ball game. Got his pocket picked by Campanal. Manansala soars and scores.
MVP. Two impactful plays defensively with a defensive rebound. That time with a steal that led to 5 fast break points. Would have the advantage. Not that time though.
Camson sa poste, making a quick move on Will Macaloni. Count it, plus the foul.
And the key, Ken, to what you said.
He calls Ludovice, Abundo, Opiso, and Banal his warriors. Na kung naka-line up daw sila, their leadership means the chances of mistakes are limited. And this is to respond to your point earlier, Coach Chris. Coach,
And you were saying?
And yun nga, no? And si Campanal, who did not even suit up in the game against Batangas City, clearly understands, no? Action picking up late in the first quarter. Baclaan against Manansala, dumps it off. Kalahat off the glass and in! With Caloocan. Bola na wala kay Camson. Nakuha ni Fuentes, 3-on-1 fast break. Baclaan intercepts it. Read that beautifully. Kian. Manday for free. Patay!
That turnover led to points once again. Manday, back to back.
Yes! How about that? Caloocan with a 30 seconds left in quarter number 1. Manzano charging through. Banks it in.
Already, mathematically, that would be potentially 80 points already after this game. Way above ng kanilang average of 65. At the same time, itong Caloocan offensively, especially with the back-to-back threes by Manday, they could have a 30 to 35 point quarter.
Camson lumapit. Pasok yan. May kasama pang foul. Ng Francis brand ng Pilipinas. Manzano carving out space again. 2 more points for Sed. Tabi working on Kian Baclaan. Cyrus has been lights out from that distance. Continues. Manzano, the offensive board. Posting up Camson, up and under. What a crafty move from Sed Manzano. Hierro. Pass to Manzano, the cut, the finish, plus the foul. Quezon catching their second wind for Coach Eric Gonzalez.
If you call that luxury, what do you call the bigs of Caloocan? Billionaires?
Prince Casin lumusot sa depensa, lays it in with that gorgeous finish. Tabi wants a clear out against kay Manny Ladi, takes the free. Oh, sorry, a long 2. How about that for the righteous?
It is 2 motion, 3 motion, kahit 5 motion pa yan. Eh kung nasushoot mo naman, wala naman sasabing ibang tao. Pero ito, 1 motion shot to.
Extend their lead to double figures. Fuentes, wide open look. And he makes them pay with his second triple. Manday popping out. Ladi. But Manday rejects the ball screen off the glass and in.
Kalahating milyon na yun,
Oo,
yung
ma.
pinamigay doon.
Another steal. Ladi, nice pass. Manday finishes the fast break.
Yung bola sa Caloocan.
Fuentes using that screen. Tabi, same spot, same result. Blitz. Pass deflected partially. Hierro able to recover, floats it up and in.
He's not
and Fuentes, but he asked his players to take accountability for their lack of tightness on defense. Of course, gusto rin niya mag-step up pa ang kanilang players like Manday.
45-38. Baclaan, nice pass. Hamito with an easy deuce. Can't finish, got it back. Pass to the outside, Ladi. Draws closer, mid-range jumper. Blanks off the rim. Pagsanhan! The stick back plus the foul. Tabi receives it at the corner. Baclaan has to be careful. Pocket pass. Pagsanhan making plays on both ends. Kian. Pass to kay Manny Ladi. Quick pass inside. Hamito will score. Kian Baclaan. Chance to tie or take the lead on this possession. Baclaan streams down the lane. No, but the putback is in from Jammer Hamito. Everything but a finish. Manday. Pass to Baclaan for the lead. Good! Their first taste of the lead since being up early in the second quarter. Kay Manny Ladi. Well, no! I thought it was gonna go in, but a sorry miss. Pagaran, open look.
That's big. That's big to somewhat silence a momentum gainer para sa Caloocan. Baclaan doing Baclaan stuff.
Baclaan scoreless in the first half. Pagaran, pass to Macaloni. Relayed in for two.
This time he makes up for the miss.
Under shot lock. Kamson offering that screen. Kamson rolls hard to the basket. 2 more points. And quarter currently for Caloocan. Manzano has 3 fouls, backing down Hamito. Manzano going to work. He has yet to miss. Natapik, Escobar could get it. Lobs it up to Hamito. Charging through against Manzano. Takes advantage of a foul-ridden Saint Manzano. Fuentes. They locate Saint Manzano. Pumihit
What a move.
Manzano with a strong pivot to the basket. Once again, in a big game. Backdoor cut, Hierro with an easy finish.
A beautiful read that time by
9 on the shot clock. Cabana straight to the cup. Baclaan forcing it up. Tough shot but makes it anyway.
There's a reason why he's very close.
Manzano on the low block against Eric Kamson. Baclaan, great anticipation. The acrobatic finish on the other end. Kamson offering that screen. Manday, change of direction. Jeff, tight pass. Smaller lineup right now for Quezon.
You're right. Cañete at the 5.
Drive by Manansala gets the step on kay Manny Ladi. Pass to Hierro, 7 on their shot clock. Fuentes bails them out with a big-time triple. Too strong. Manansala gives them another possession. We are down to the last 2 minutes. And that basket gives them the lead by Jodel Fuentes.
In the second half.
Fuentes got blitz. Manansala off the dribble. What a strong move by Jolo Manansala. And they're still not fouling. And finally, Baclaan gives it up with 8.6 seconds remaining.
Basketball, the first three was out of execution. Something tell you how important he has been in this game. As 9 points, yes, but it feels like he was like Don Ochea when Quezon played Batangas. The things that he did on both ends, invaluable. Josh Oyero.
Spectacular performance on the road by the Quezon Huskers. That set the tone for them. Sen Manzano, spectacular performance. Our best player of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
You just gotta love what Quezon has in said Manzano. Because now they have a guy. We talked about the difference of their team from last year, the past 2 years up to this year. They didn't have this guy. In respect to Simon Sandagon, who's an outstanding big man, but he's a guy that rose to the basket. Said Manzano